INST is Internet Network Security Technology. The security part is more of the second year thing, but we do all sorts of stuff with computers and networking, and we learn how to check to see if your network's working, check to see why your computer's not working right. We learn how to build cables and what cables go for what computer and why.
I really like the first year, so I talked to my council about getting into the second year, and so far it's been really nice. The first year you spend getting your certifications and stuff, and the second year you can make a game or learn Java, different types of things. There's more certifications you can get if you want to do that.
Most classes get certifications, but we get certifications specifically so we can do things with computers, so you can go out and you're more likely to get a job in that specific program that you're going for. Whatever certification you get, you're definitely more likely to get a job in that area.
One of the, hands-on things that we do in INST is the Cyber Patriot competition, which is a competition held by the Air Force. You're literally doing a competition against everyone in your state and then across the entire nation.
Anybody who's interested in computers should choose the class. I'm learning skills that I wouldn't have been able to learn otherwise, especially with the programming stuff. It's a really awesome class. I really enjoy it.
I would honestly recommend just CTC, no matter what you want to go into, no matter what hobbies you have. If it's a CTC class, you're going to love it no matter what.